When it comes to losing weight fast, there are a lot of different methods out there, but it's important to remember that the healthiest and most sustainable way to lose weight is gradually over time. However, if you are looking for a quick way to jumpstart your weight loss journey, here are 5 suggestions on how to lose weight fast. Number 1. Cutting back on carbohydrates can help reduce bloating and water weight, leading to quick weight loss. Just be sure to focus on healthy, whole foods like lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. Number 2. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out excess sodium and other toxins from your body, which can help you lose weight quickly. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water per day. Number 3. Protein is important for building and maintaining muscle, which can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Try incorporating protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu into your diet. Number 4. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats and can contribute to weight gain. Try to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Number 5. Incorporate high-intensity interval training into your workouts. Workouts involve short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest. This workout have been shown to be effective for burning fat and improving overall fitness. Remember, while it's important to take steps to lose weight in a healthy way, it's also important to have realistic expectations and focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term success.